Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a crucial component for those operating plant protection UAVs, specifically the T10, T30, T40, and T20P models. We have here the steering gear assembly, identified as part number 000411. This isn't just any replacement part. It's described as a brand new original accessory, which is key for ensuring compatibility and performance that matches the drone specifications. When you're relying on your drone for precise agricultural tasks, every part needs to function flawlessly. The steering gear assembly is vital for controlling movement and direction, so having a reliable one is non-negotiable. This particular assembly is highlighted for being durable and easy to use. Durability is paramount in the demanding environment of agricultural spraying, where dust, moisture, and constant vibration are factors. A wear-resistant design and long lifetime mean less downtime for repairs and more time in the air, which is exactly what operators need. One of the major selling points mentioned is that this assembly is designed to replace a damaged original part. This is incredibly convenient. If your drone's steering is compromised, being able to swap out the faulty component with a direct, original replacement simplifies the repair process significantly. The description also emphasizes that it's easy to install. For drone operators who might need to perform maintenance in the field or quickly get their drone back up and running, an easy installation process is a huge advantage. You don't want to spend hours struggling with a complex repair when time is money. Furthermore, the product is noted for its fine craftsmanship. This suggests attention to detail in manufacturing, ensuring the part fits correctly and operates smoothly. Good craftsmanship often translates directly into reliability and performance. The mention that it can make your device more beautiful might seem minor, but it can also indicate a high-quality finish and precise molding, which are signs of a well-made component. Ultimately, a part that is durable, wear-resistant, and built with fine craftsmanship contributes directly to the longevity and reliable operation of your valuable plant protection UAV. Having a dependable steering gear assembly ensures your drone can execute its tasks accurately and efficiently, protecting your crops effectively. This original accessory seems designed to provide that essential reliability and ease of maintenance for the specified T10, T30, T40, and T20P models.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.